Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are back at Arlington East where we want to see the progress of development in this area. Arlington East might be the next big thing, you guys. I mean, wow, look at the development in this area. Look at the roads, look at the houses that are being built here. If there's one thing that will make your neighborhood nice, guys, the type of houses that are there, and of course the development that the developer did. So this is beautiful. So for those who don't know, there is Arlington Estate and there's Arlington East. So Arlington Estate is already developed, has huge, beautiful houses. And then Arlington East is a newer development that's being done by a totally different company. I think Arlington Estate was developed by Cardinal Properties, and then Arlington East was developed by Lingate. But all I can say, we'll look at that. All I can say that these neighborhoods, these developments, they're on point, they're spot on. The developers did a very good job. So selecting the design of your house is a very important step when it comes to building. You want to build a house that is warm to you and that is comfortable to you and something that you love. Hey, it's very important. And like I said, the design of the house also gives a certain ambience or a certain look and feel to the area that you're staying in. So yeah. So just to throw it out there, I don't know what you guys think about a double story versus a single story, both in terms of cost and optimization. So just a crazy thought. I would think that a double story can actually help save space. So let's say you don't have a very huge stand, but it meets the minimum requirement for a double story. If you both going up, that means instead of utilizing ground space, you're utilizing space going up. Yeah, more efficient than building a huge house that's lying on the ground. So yeah, I would like to hear your thoughts on that, guys, on a double story versus a single story, and what are your preferences. This side, which doesn't have a lot of houses, this is the second phase 2. The compliance came out earlier this year, so people have just started building, but the rate at which people started building, guys, was amazing. Hey, it was amazing. So as you can see, there are not as much houses as the other side that we first came into.